So I'm here in New York and I'm only here for a couple days. I'm here to take this exam. It's like related to my bachelor's degree and it's this afternoon. It's 6 o'clock right now and really should be sleeping. But I guess I'm excited, nervous, or like I just want to get this exam done because it's been plaguing my mind for like months. And like originally I wanted to take this exam like around end of February, beginning of March, but my school documents, they were delayed and took a while, and it's the reason why I haven't been uploading, guys, and I'm really sorry. There were so many moments I wanted to pick up the GoPro and like make videos, but like I had to focus on studying, and especially like when I meet you guys like in person, and when you guys tell me like you watch my videos, you enjoy them, and you're looking forward to the next one, like I really wanted to like pick up a GoPro like in those moments, and like it really means a lot when I meet you guys like in person. You tell me that you watch my videos, watch the videos of me and my family. Like it means so much, and it gives me like strength, like energy, like to keep doing this, to keep making videos. And I'm happy that like you guys enjoy my videos, and I hope you continue enjoying the videos that I'll make in the future. Yeah, so the focus right now is get this exam done in the afternoon, and hopefully I pass. We'll see, guys, because I really want to get this done and get right back into making more videos that you guys can enjoy. Yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, about to take my exam. Let's go.
2 hours later.
Guys, I freaking passed. Oh my gosh. Yo! Like my hands are like shaking. I don't think you can see it on the video right now, but they're shaking, and oh my god, I was so nervous during the exam. Like I had earplugs on because they provide earplugs, and like I could just hear the heartbeat, like my heartbeat like just pounding in my ears, and it's over. It's finally over, guys, and I can get back to making videos. Yes. Sorry guys, I'm like so hyped right now, like oh my god, I'm just so happy. I'm so happy it's done. Like, oh my god. Oh, and look at this Pokeball. It's like my first Pokeball ever. Let's just try the salmon by itself. Yeah. So the exam's like computer adaptive, which means that if you get something right, the difficulty level will go up by 1, and then if you get it wrong, it will go down. And honestly, that exam was hard. Like I didn't know where I stood. I didn't know if I was doing good. I didn't know if I was doing bad. Like I tried analyzing the question, like, is this hard? Is this easy? Like I couldn't tell. Like I was just like towards the end, I'm like, oh my god, I'm like at 90. What the heck is this? Am I okay? Am I not okay? And then like I clicked done, and I was like, oh god, I'm gonna fail, aren't I? And then right there it said pass. I was like, oh thank god, I don't have to go through this again. Like it's done. I'm done with this whole thing, and I'm so happy that it's over with. Like I'm so happy I passed. All that studying was worth it. And I can get back to fishing. I can get back to making videos for you guys. So I'm looking forward to that, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy all the future videos that my family and I are gonna make. And if things go as planned, there'll be some exciting things happening this year. Hopefully, we'll see. Yeah.